Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are 4 questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is the perimeter of a square is 4 times that of a rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle is 11 1 by 5 meters. Find the perimeter of the square. Leave your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the perimeter of the square. Let's see how to solve this problem. Side of a square be A. Then the perimeter of the square is 4A. The perimeter of the rectangle is the given 11 1 by 5 meters. The perimeter of the square is 4 times that perimeter of a square. So 4 multiplied by 11 1 by 5. 4 multiplied by 56 divided by 5. 56 4 ja 224 divided by 5. 44 4 by 5 meters. The second question is identify the decimal number given. Anil has a thought of a decimal number. After he subtracted 2.9 from it and then multiplied by 3 and then added 0.15, he got 10.5. Here you have to understand the question very properly and we have to go reverse by that. He got 10.5 and added 0.15, but here we have to do subtract to get the answer. 10.5 minus 0.5 equals to 10.35. Again they said multiplied by 3. The opposite divided. 10.35 divided by 3 equals to 3.45 and they subtracted 2.9, but here we have to add 3.45 plus 2.9 equals to 6.35 is the answer. The third question is 365 people attend a wedding dinner. If each table can seat 10 guests, what was the minimum number of tables needed to seat all of them? So read the question carefully. There are 365 people attend a wedding dinner. Let's see how to solve this problem. Divide the total number of guests by the number of guests each table can seat 10. 365 divided by 10 equals to 36.5. Round up to the near whole number. So 37 tables needed to seat all of them. The last question is find the area of the shaded part in the figure. The given shaded part is 10 centimeter, base is 40 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Let's see how to solve this problem. Area equals to half into base into height. Base is unshaded part is 30 centimeter. 1 by 2 multiplied by 30 centimeter multiplied by 20 centimeter. 2 1 ja 2, 2 10 ja 20. 30 multiplied by 10 is 300 square centimeter. Area of 2 unshaded triangles equals to 300 square centimeter multiplied by 2 equals to 600 square centimeter. Area of the rectangle equals to 20 centimeter multiplied by 40 centimeter. 20 multiplied by 40 equals to 800 square centimeter. Area of shaded part equals to 800 square centimeter minus 600 square centimeter equals to 200 square centimeter. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos.